Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Cursor versus Windsurf. So if you don't know what these two are, Cursor is an AI-enhanced code editor based on VS Code that helps developers write, refactor, and understand code faster using AI. And Windsurf, on the other hand, is a dev tool that uses AI agents to automate software development tasks, such as writing features, fixing bugs, and refactoring code via natural language. So let's discuss their pros and cons, starting with Cursor here. So the pros of Cursor is that it is familiar VS Code interface, it is great for real-time code assistance, and strong coding copilot features. Now the cons of it is that it still requires manual setup or work, and has less automation than agent-based tools. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of Windsurf right here. So the pros of Windsurf is that it automates full dev tasks with AI agents, is great for teams and complex changes, and is Git-based integration. Now the cons of Windsurf is that it is newer and less mature, and is less suited for hands-on daily coding. So which one is right for you? So use Cursor if you're a hands-on developer who wants smart, fast AI help within your editor, and use Windsurf if you want to delegate entire dev tasks to AI and focus on higher level direction. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.